Hello, guys. So I've been working on a project that could serve as a content engine, and so I decided to create like a swipe file, which we go through the keywords relating to my app on my workspace, uh, check check hashtags relating to it and other contents, or, and maybe competitors' content on TikTok. And the agent will analyze each of the contents and tell me if there's an opportunity here or not. So far, it has gotten about 32 opportunities. Then has trashed three contents. This content is still running, and you see that some of these contents are probably founder-led content or content where you have to show your face, and some of them are just colors in Swedish. You see, I'm sure you've seen something like this online. So it says if I can do this kind of content, then it will be a good uh, content for me. And this content has over 100,000 views. So let me know if you think this is a good thing and you would like to use it. Thank you. Bye.